Okay.
Okay, here's some cheese.
Okay, go slow. No. Slow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Chill out on the cheese, Layla.
Just making sure nobody else eats it.
Oh, we got some stragglers.
Look at her go. Is it good? Do you like it?
Do you like it? Is it good? You like it?
Are you going to
That's
share
good
with
cheese.
Wesley?
That's good cheese.
Wesley would like you to share with him. He would like some pieces of cheese.